Welcome back to the channel. If you're working from home and dealing with persistent back pain that just won't quit, this video is specifically for you. We're talking about a potential game changer, how to fix your back pain from home office. 5-minute solution. Back pain. For far too many remote workers, it's become less of an occasional nuisance and more of an unwelcome, constant companion throughout the workday. You try shifting in your chair, maybe you stand up and stretch briefly, perhaps you rub that sore spot between your shoulder blades, but that stubborn ache just seems to linger, making it hard to get comfortable or concentrate. It's incredibly frustrating, distracting, and it makes focusing on your work, participating fully in meetings, or even enjoying your downtime so much harder. You might assume that finding real, lasting relief requires a significant time investment, maybe a full hour at the gym every day, or a long, complex yoga session that feels overwhelming to even contemplate. But honestly, where do you even find that kind of dedicated time in a packed, unpredictable remote workday? Deadlines are constantly looming, virtual meetings pile up back to back, and suddenly another day goes by where your back pain goes unaddressed. Or maybe you just try a random stretch you saw online that offers only fleeting, temporary relief, but doesn't truly fix the underlying problem. The undeniable truth is, the very nature of how we work remotely, the incredibly long hours spent sitting statically in one position, often with less than perfect posture, combined with the mental stress of constantly blurred boundaries and digital demands, creates a perfect storm environment for developing chronic physical tension and pain, particularly in the back. Prolonged static sitting specifically contributes to chronic discomfort by compressing your spinal discs and putting sustained, unhealthy strain on your muscles and ligaments. And stress? It doesn't just stay in your head. It has a profound physical impact, causing muscles, especially in your neck, shoulders, and back, to tighten and clench without you even realizing it. The science is robust. Chronic low-level stress triggers a cascade of biological responses in your body that lead directly to physical discomfort and inflammation over time. So, if you're a remote worker with back pain, you're likely dealing with a difficult double whammy: significant physical strain from static posture and debilitating muscle tension driven by work stress. Trying to simply ignore this pain, hoping it will go away on its own, or only attempting to address it with long, infrequent wellness sessions is simply not an effective strategy for long-term relief. What you truly need are interventions that fit seamlessly into your busy day, are easy to implement without needing special equipment or a lot of space, and are specifically designed to directly target the particular type of tension and strain caused by prolonged remote desk work. You need something that provides real, noticeable relief, not just another temporary band-aid fix. Many people feel intimidated by the idea of starting yoga or other mindful movement practices, thinking it requires significant flexibility, complex poses, or large blocks of time. They might feel overwhelmed by the options or unsure where to start, particularly when they're already dealing with pain. But what if the solution to your frustrating back pain wasn't time-consuming or incredibly complicated? What if you could counteract that built-up tension, ease muscle stiffness, and find significant, tangible relief in just a few minutes? The idea that effective healing and stress relief require lengthy, dedicated sessions is a common misunderstanding. While longer practices certainly have their place and offer deeper benefits, even incredibly short, targeted movements combined with conscious, mindful breathing can have a profound, immediate impact on your physical discomfort and shift your mental state. It's about focusing on the most impactful actions for the limited time you have available. It's about using techniques that directly address the specific spinal flexibility issues and muscle stiffness that are direct consequences of prolonged sitting. If you found this session helpful in tackling your remote work stress and improving your posture, consider giving this video a like to help us reach more remote workers who could benefit. Sharing it with a colleague might make their day too, and subscribing to our channel ensures you don't miss future tips on optimizing your well-being. Imagine feeling your shoulders visibly relax, your spine lengthen and decompress, and that persistent, nagging ache in your back begin to dissipate, all within the space of a short break from your screen. This isn't just wishful thinking, it is entirely achievable by understanding how a few specific, targeted movements work synergistically on your body and then integrating them effectively into your day. It's about transforming those passive breaks you might currently take into active, powerful moments of physical release and mental reset. The key lies in selecting precisely the most impactful movements and breathing techniques that provide the most relief in the shortest amount of time. You absolutely can find significant, noticeable relief from remote work pain with a focused strategy that takes just 5 minutes. The powerful secret involves incorporating a few specific, targeted movements that directly address the tension, compression, and stiffness caused by prolonged sitting at a desk, strategically combined with simple, yet incredibly powerful mindful breathing techniques. This isn't just random stretching, it's a focused, science-informed mini-routine specifically designed for maximum therapeutic impact in minimal time. Learning how to select these key movements, perform them correctly for your body, and integrate them effectively into your workday is the true game changer for combating remote work back pain. Ready to discover this 5-minute solution to your persistent remote work back pain and start feeling better today? We have a more detailed video linked in the description below that shows you exactly what this solution involves and how to get started. And for a complete step-by-step system to understand, prevent, and effectively alleviate back pain, tension, and stiffness while working from home, check out our full course linked there to learn more and finally take control of your physical comfort. Thanks for joining and taking a crucial step towards a pain-free workday. Make sure you take action. Like this video to support our mission of helping remote workers thrive. Share it widely on your social platforms to help others break free from work from home pain. And for consistent access to our best practices, subscribe to our channel and turn on all notifications today.